So, reading this question, student makes a hypothesis: when a different salt solutions are electrolyzed with inert electrodes, the product of the negative electrode will always be a metal. Okay? Describe what you should see. You should draw a labelled diagram of the apparatus. So, first of all, we know that electrolysis goes on in a beaker with a power pack and some electrodes. I'm never going to win a mark for my neatness. It does say labelled diagram, so I would be labelling this power supply. Okay, I would be labelling these as my electrodes. And it does say inert, so I might say that these are carbon, or I might say that they are platinum. Both of those things are not going to relapse. Okay, I will also probably label the fact that this is going to be my salt solution. Okay, my independent variable, the thing that I change, is going to be when different salt solutions. So I'm going to change my salt solutions. Okay, and then the question says, what would I see at the negative electrode if the hypothesis is true? Well, it says the product will always be a metal. So I'm going to see an observation of some solid metal forming at the negative electrode. Okay, question B. Let me move it up, I can get these two in. The student's hypothesis is only partially correct. Explain why the product of the negative electrode, so explain, I'm going to have to state and then explain. When we have carried this out, we have seen that sometimes hydrogen gas is produced. That's my state. Now to explain it, this is because, okay, if the metal is more reactive than hydrogen, hydrogen gas is given off. Okay, that's a key one. Now, predict the product at the positive electrode in the electrolysis of these two solutions. So remember, if it's a halide, it's the halide that's given off as a gas. So here I'm going to see chlorine gas. If it's not a halide, it's always going to be oxygen gas. Those half equations are complicated, but we don't need them.